Hi everyone, today I would like to share with you this cassette deck from Onkyo TA 2120. This is one of Onkyo's R1 series from 1988. It was in production and sale from 1988 to 89. This was quite a high-end deck from Onkyo. Was introduced in European market for 598 Deutsche Mark, almost 600 Deutsche Marks, and it's a fully logic control, and it's a two-head audio cassette deck, not three-head system but two-head system. The counter is still manual, and this the peak level indicator is based on LED, and also there is a recording indicator there, and you have a headphone out and input level, which is controlled by this two small variable resistors, potentiometers, and all features and functions are logic control. And you have a repeat on and off. If you can put, then it can repeat the song, and then it's a block and full for the repeat. So block means one song if it's not recorded non-stop, and if full, then it will whole cassette will repeat when it ends. So that's how it works. And here you have a Dolby noise reduction system on, and then you have B and C only for the noise reduction, and this can play normal chrome and metal cassettes. We can show you is a feather touch. That's what they say that time. It has a micro switches inside behind these buttons, and this peak level indicator in the LED also. They look nice, but I personally prefer the ones with a needle, like old style. And you see when it's past 0 dB, then it's red, and it's less than 0 dB, then it's green. And you see stop, and you have forward, reverse, and this is the auto space. Basically this feature was only available previously in the Nakamichis. Whenever you put the cassette, it will fast forward like several seconds, which was the standard for the cassette recording. So then it will go auto space, but this they introduce the same, but you have to press it. And this is the pause, and this is the record button. Personally, I like the headphone out, so one can also enjoy the music with the headphone only. If you don't want it to disturb people around with your kind of music, you can plug the headphone and you can listen to it. Build quality is quite good. It's basically this Onkyo is produced when they were still produced in Japan. So then later on they start venturing producing in Malaysia, Singapore, and eventually everything ended up with the Chinese. So this is the line in and line out, and this is the remote control. So basically R1 remote control, you have to connect with the amplifier also on Q series and the other ones with this remote control link. Then you can control with the R1 remote control all the devices basically, and on the way back is basically nothing. Total power consumption when this cassette deck is play and even standby is 8 watt per hour. So it's not a big power consumption. Usually the cassette deck, they don't consume too much. So this is a sort of highlighter, and of course I'll make other video with the sound test, and that will be, I think I'll connect with my Philips FA787 amplifier, which I recently acquired. So in a manner we can test this Onkyo cassette deck and amplification effector of the Philips FS787, and I'm also thinking that I also purchase one Louis DVD player, Centrino. It's very posh one, and I purchased that one because they use good DEC chips inside it. So according to review, it produces excellent sound quality. So then I can hook up that one also, and the video input, and then we can play the audio CD on it, so we can see how the Louis is performing, but amplification will be with the Philips. So give me a second. I need to stake up everything together, connect with the speakers, and then I'll make most probably a separate video with a sound test with the these three devices which I have mentioned. Thank you for watching.